Everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a LEGO review of LEGO City Police Station set 60370 from 2023 to 2024. As you can see, you have 4 minifigures in the set. You have this beautiful police car, and you have Daisy Kaboom Lewis's motorbike. And Daisy Kaboom Lewis has a hairpiece and a helmet. And you have Ricky Partner and a younger version of Sam Grizzle. You also have this beautiful dog. And you get a walkie-talkie and a megaphone. And on this side of the police station you have a prison cell. And on this side, you have young Sam Grizzle's office, where he looks at for criminal activity. As you can see here by the prison cell, there's a cupcake and a coffee mug for the prisoners. And Sam Grizzle has a croissant and a coffee mug. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comment box below, and please share the links to my videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.